Following the enactment of the Public Finance Management Act of 2015, which emphasizes equal opportunities in gender and equity, MDAs are required to submit gender and equity compliance reports to Parliament during the budgeting process. This is to ensure inclusivity and that no one is left behind in national planning. As of now, several MDAs are still presenting their ministerial process statements for the 2025-2026 budget cycle. These include, among others, the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development. According to NUDIP, the 2025 policy plans from these ministries fail to incorporate critical provisions for persons with disabilities.
That in the ministerial policy statement for the Office of the Prime Minister, data is presented therein of people that were disabled, among others, but there is nothing on persons with disabilities. The ministerial policy statement does not unpack disability statistics. The cost of managing children with disabilities is high.
Despite assurances from the ministry heads about inclusive planning, NUDIP maintains that these promises have not been realized in the 2025 budget.
We don't want false promises. We want action. We want action. So under Ministry of Health, that is critical. Essential drugs are not reaching out to persons with disabilities in the lower health facilities. They are not there. That is a big issue, which we noted.
Meanwhile, Uganda National Teachers Union has also raised concerns about discriminatory salary enhancements within the teaching profession. This comes after the government pledged 49 billion shillings for salary improvements. The union argues that disparities still exist, disadvantaging certain categories of teachers despite this commitment.
Because in 2022, July, there was a 300% increment for one category of teachers, leaving all others with nothing. And yet we had agreed on a gradual increment for all categories over the 5 years. So when this was abandoned, now it brought a sharp divide between the teaching fraternity.
The chairperson of the Equal Opportunities Commission, Safia Joko, has responded to the petitioners' concerns.
But I was so happy to see that we are now at the level of assessing ministerial policy statements. I think this is the way to go. If you can ensure that in the national development plan and the national budget and the programs and sectoral plans and budgets, disability issues are there, I think you would have done the biggest part of our work as the Opportunities Commission.
Rebecca Nantongo, Susan Inabugude, UBC News.